If you have watched our video on Puneet Superstar, हमने बात करी थी कि कैसे अब टीवी शोज कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर देयर व्यूअरशिप।
अब सिर्फ एक बंदे का हो चुका है बिग बॉस।
ये दोनों कलेक्टिवली मिलके यूट्यूबर्स उनको मिलके शिद्दत से हेट करते हैं।
सोशल मीडिया क्रिएटर्स के एंगेजमेंट इनसे बेहतर है।
अब पुनीत को तो घर से निकाल दिया, तो टीआरपी की कमी को पूरा करने के लिए बिग बॉस में एंट्री हुई एल्विश यादव की। और एल्विश की एंट्री से the numbers started going up. It's like the makers know that who is going to bring them numbers. But why didn't they bring other creators on the show? जिससे viewership would have gone through the roof. Or did they just want to bring some attention to the show? But why would they want just some of it and not all of it? Unless they wanted to promote their... This is the ongoing debate on the internet. जहां लोग बोल रहे हैं कि क्रिएटर्स को बिग बॉस में लाया गया है सिर्फ नंबर्स के लिए, and the show undermined their hard work and positive influence on the platform. And the clips are going viral where the creators are being demeaned.
जिस तरह की हवा एक नकली सी इनके अंदर भरी हुई है, इनको एक से घटाकर छठी रैंक पर ले आना चाहिए.
And this is making the YouTube community go against the TV industry. Are we going to see another YouTube versus TV war? Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now because we make content that helps you become a better creator.
हमारी तो परचून की दुकान है।
छोड़ दे भाई इस खेल को।
जो मैं हूँ मैं हूँ.
Ask yourself, which was the last Bollywood movie you watched जो आपको याद है? If you are finding it difficult to come up with a name, it certainly means that we, the audience, are shifting to digital and OTT platform. And this is the reason why TV and Bollywood industry are using social media stars to get eyes on themselves. From the recent features of Kusha Kapila, Prajakta Kohli and Anubhav Singh Bassi as the supporting characters in movies to Big Boss OTT जहाँ YouTubers majority viewership ला रहे हैं.
भाई टीआरपी नहीं मिल रही तो मेरे मुंह लगोगे क्या?
It is proving to be true that traditional film and TV industry are desperate, and Big Boss has exposed this system of hierarchy. जहाँ top पर है movie stars, उनके बाद आते हैं TV actors, and everyone else at the bottom of the table. The feud began when Fukra Insan was demeaned on the first episode of the show.
ये जो हवा भरी हुई है ना, इसको थोड़ा कम कीजिए.
पहले बात सुनिए,
बिल्कुल मैम.
फिर जवाब दीजिए.
बिल्कुल मैम.
And it didn't stop here. Contestants from the TV fraternity also undermined YouTubers and their power.
देखो भैया, आप मुझे वजन के बारे में बात ना करें तो बेहतर है.
तुम्हारे कंटेंट को नहीं क्या पब्लिक क्रिंज बोलती है या कंटेंट नहीं समझते तुम्हारे कंटेंट.
लेकिन फिर भी आपकी मेमोरी रिफ्रेश करा देते हैं. देखो अपने आप को.
You can't say these things and get away with it.
और अब जबकि एल्विश यादव शो में है, it is evident that makers are desperate to get viewership but are still restrictive on their narrative. YouTubers के mainstream industry में entry होने के बाद social media audience also started watching Big Boss. This drove a whole new segment of viewership. बाकी contestants के combined audience से भी ज़्यादा. So why is it that content creators are being demeaned when they are the ones making the show a hit? Remember the hierarchy that we spoke about in the beginning? This hierarchy is the root of the problem. YouTubers and content creators are unhappy because they are not being acknowledged enough and are being placed at the bottom of the table, जबकि वही शो के असली stars हैं. This is also because of how old the TV industry is compared to the digital creators and how they used to be mainstream at one point of time. But times are changing and examples like these reflect the power that creators have. और वो दिन दूर नहीं when creators are going to be in the mainstream media. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section below.